Hi, boys and girls. Question 4, 7.7. Okay, I'm going to read it to you because for some reason the speaker is not working. All right, so make an estimate and solve.
Multi-step division number stories. 4. Make an estimate and solve. Then answer the questions. Jessica is in charge of a big summer concert in the park. She is planning for 400 people to attend. She can seat 252 people in the stands, which fits 7 people per row. The remaining people must sit on folding chairs, which can be set up in rows of 9. How many total rows of people will be at the concert? Estimate. There will be blank rows of people. What did you do with any remainders you found?
Okay, so we know that there is a big summer concert in the park that Jessica is in charge of, and she's planning for 400 people to attend. So one of the things she needs to do is figure out where they're all going to sit. So she already has 252 of the people seated in the stands. So the rest need to be set up in rows. So the first thing that you should have done is subtract 400 minus 252 to figure out how many people still need to be seated. All right, so I'm going to regroup. Okay, so 9 and 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 5 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. So that means, what, Emily? Yes, we can walk around the block when I'm done with my work. I'm sorry, everybody. Okay, so that means 148 people still need to be sitting. So these people we are going to set up in the rows. And we know that the rows fit 9 per row. So we need to figure out how many rows of people there will be. So this is our next problem. So if I start with 10, I'm going to subtract 90. 8 minus 0 is 0. 14 minus 9 is 5. And then I will do 6. 6 times 9 is 56. And I have 2 left over. So that means the answer is 16 remainder 2. So let's talk about this. 16 remainder 2 would be 16 full rows of people, but 2 people would not have a seat. So in this case, when we think about the remainders, we would need to round up to a 17th row. And the reason why is because if I only had 16 rows set up, 2 people would have to stand. So we would have to add an additional row, even though it's not going to be full, for those 2 people. So there will be 17 rows of people. And we rounded up with the remainders.